Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Zhiyun Crane. Brand new, it's got the seal. And it comes with its own carrying case. Nothing else in the box. Ooh, nice Pelican style carrying case. It's great that they include one of these, so you don't have to buy an extra one and you can carry this around, throw them in your trunk. Ta-da! Alright, let's take a look at what's in here. Comes with a nice padded foam inside. Instruction manuals. One set of batteries here. That's where the batteries go, the base. USB cable. Screws. And a charger for the batteries that you get. And the actual gimbal unit itself. Feels nice, doesn't feel cheap, feels like it's well made. None of that plastic cheapness, you don't feel on this at all. It's great. Put this aside, what's down here? What else is here? Anything else under here? Nope. That's it. Alright, now let's put this together. In the box, you have the grip where the battery goes in, and the gimbal itself, USB cable, battery charger, the screws to put the camera to the gimbal, and this, and we got the battery. Okay, let's open this up. So let's get started. Take the battery grip, and the minus side goes to the bottom first. So the flat side, not the side that looks like this. The other side goes at the bottom, and put the second battery in, and simply screw this to the base. Okay, before we turn this on, we gotta put the camera on it and balance it, and then we turn it on. It's important that you balance it first, otherwise it'll start to wear out the motors. And it has a minimum of 350 grams requirement, so anything lighter than that the gimbal doesn't support. You need at least 350 grams. Okay, so let's go ahead and set up my 5D Mark IV with a 50mm lens on it. It's likely that we're not going to use the lens support mount that goes over here. We won't be using that because the lens is small. So let's go set this up. We got the camera on here, we got it balanced, and balancing is actually very simple. First, you mount the camera on, put the screw at the bottom here, right? And you put the camera here, and when it's properly balanced, it shouldn't go front or back. It shouldn't tilt forward or back. So you keep it, you move it, if it's too much front heavy, you move it back. If it's too much back heavy, you move it forward until the camera stops doing this. So once you got that part balanced, the next step is to balance this axis. For this, you point the lens up, and then you unloosen this, and you push this in and out until the camera can stay pointing up without you touching it. That's number 2. Once you got that balanced, then the next step is to balance the third axis, which is this one here. You loosen this and you move this back and forth until this horizontal bar here, this bar is horizontal. It's like that. So once you got that all set up, it should look like this. Let's go ahead and turn this on. The power button's at the back. It says it's the button right beside, it's the same button as the camera right here with the camera symbol on it. So you press and hold, and there, and we're started. It's important to balance first, because if it's not balanced and your gimbal's all sideways, now your motors are trying to keep it level and trying to balance at the same time. So you'll wear out your motors faster, you'll kill your battery faster. If it's properly balanced, your battery will last a lot longer. And so now we got it all balanced and it's turned on. You can see it was working, doing what it's supposed to do. And you can use the control at the back to make it turn this way or up and down, any which way you want. It's great. And you can also use this in underslung mode. For that, the easiest way to do it is just to hold this and bring this around slowly. Now it's in underslung mode. And you can use this for really low shots. And the controls still work, so you can use the controls at the same time. Oh. And back up. Here we go.